Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter we're going to see how to incorporate videos and content. So let's see how to incorporate videos. For that we will activate our latest news page. We will copy our index, copy and paste, and we will call it latest.html. Rename latest.html. So I will simply delete the content. I will rename it here and I will put latest news and I will delete that. So now if I refresh and I go to the latest page, it's active and I just have a title. We are going to come here and incorporate videos. So we will simply go to the YouTube side and then to Facebook, and we will select a video that we want to display on our site. So let's go to YouTube right away. So I'm on YouTube, I selected a video of barista, and to integrate it to our site, it's very simple. You go to share, integrate, and you see that you have a line of code, and you copy and paste this line or site. We can add options. You see that now there are integration options. So show player controls, yes. Enable privacy mode is as you want. So I'm going to come and copy and paste this into my site. So now I refresh my page and you can see that I have my video. If I put playback, there is no problem, it works. Now we will see that we can also put a video from Facebook. I will just resize it because I found it a little big. I will put 350 pixels, for example, that's better. So let's go to Facebook. So I'm on the Starbucks page and I'm going to select a video. For example, this one. I click in the top right corner on the three little dots and I have integrated a site. I can have the choose to include all posts. So if you ever have a caption, comments, everything will be included. So everything about the post or just my videos, I will come copy the code and I will go to my site. So I'm going to copy it here. We are just going to change the size so that is the same as the other one. We had put 315 in width and I'm updating. So you can now see that I have my video which is displayed. So at the top our YouTube video and at the bottom our Facebook video. You can do exactly the same process to put video that it's of Twitter, Insta, Dailymotion. The process is always the same to follow.